Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract. A crucial first step is to ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is thoroughly frozen, ideally for a full 24 hours. Then, in a large bowl, whisk together your cream, milk, and sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. This base is the foundation of your delicious treat. Once your base is ready and your machine is cold, it's time for the magic of churning. Carefully pour your chilled mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Let the machine work its wonders for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll notice it gradually thickens, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. This continuous stirring is vital, as it incorporates air, preventing large ice crystals and creating that wonderfully smooth, creamy texture we all love. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite mix-ins. If you're including things like chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or fresh fruit, gently add them during the last 5 minutes of the churning cycle. Once churning is complete and your ice cream is soft, transfer it to an airtight container. This step is important to prevent freezer burn. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it reaches your desired firm, scoopable consistency. To ensure your homemade ice cream is always a success, here are a few helpful tips. Always opt for high-quality, fresh ingredients. They truly make a difference in flavor. Make sure your base mixture is thoroughly chilled before it goes into the ice cream maker, as this helps with faster freezing and a smoother result. Finally, remember not to overfill your machine. Leave about 1/3 of the bowl empty to allow for expansion as the ice cream churns and incorporates air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.